Oh, the weather outside is... but the fire is so... and since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Sam, what are you doing here? Pretending to be a snowflake?
You, didn't see anything.
Oh, come on. I think you make a really cute snowflake.
Didn't see.
Okay, but why?
Oh, I was thinking, is it possible to make snow at home so it wouldn't melt and would be really, really nice? When I was traveling in the Tibidado Mountains, I nearly froze solid when I was wandering in the snow. Beautiful, but oh so cold.
Snow at home. I think I've heard about experiments like that. Let's try it.
Oh, wait, aren't we going to the fridge?
Hey guys, today I'll be making snow for Sam.
Yes, and we will build a snow slime.
A snow slime? Is that really a thing?
Of course. You'll see. Just make the snow, make the snow, make the snow.
Guys, do you like snow? Give a thumbs up if you do. So I'll try making the first type of snow with these granules and water. And the second one from shaving foam and baking soda.
I'm so nervous. I need a candy to stop my anxiety.
Here.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Right, for the first experiment, I'll need this container and I'll pour in the granules. Add some water. Whoa! Wow.
Oh, it's growing so fast. Holy cannoli. Wow. Oh, the water's gone.
Yes! Look, just like real snow. Whoa, even cool to the touch a bit. I feel like I could play with it forever.
Wow. Snow, not cold at all. Amazing. Sprinkle some more snow over me. More. Yeah. Oh. Well, now let's build a snow slime.
Right. Oh, it won't stick together at all. It falls apart, see? It's too fluffy.
No snow slime. No snowballs.
Oh, but just look at the way it falls. It's so pretty.
Yeah, let's make the other snow. Oh, I think someone hasn't subscribed. Well, no, just seeing things. Phew!
Okay, for the second experiment, I'll put some baking soda into the bowl. That should be enough.
And now we'll squeeze out some shaving foam. There.
Whoa.
And some more. Oops, got some foam on me. Need to wash it off.
And I'll start stirring.
Ooh, let me help.
Oh, thanks. I'll manage. Looks done. Let's see. Oh, Sammy, this one sticks together really well.
I'll pose for you, and you'll build me a snow slime.
Sure. Okay, I'll take a big scoop and press it together. Then I'll shape it just like this.
Cute, right?
Yep. And the final touch.
Oh, looks good. Very cool.
Guys, which snow did you like more? Write in the comments. And if you liked today's experiments, give a thumbs up. And let's get it to 2,000 thumbs up to inspire us to make another experiment. Bye!
Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying.